We are going to make pancake. So, first, of course, we're gonna beat the eggs. Pero isa lang to, kaya egg lang. So, syempre wala tayong pang whisk. Mahirap lang tayo. We're gonna use this fork. And then, oops, isang reminder is, hindi po ako marunong magluto. And then, sabi dun sa video na napanood ko, okay lang daw kahit hindi hindi butter or what yung gamitin na panglagay na oil. So, let's put our cooking oil. 1 and 2 for this. Okay. And then, so ayan, i-beat na natin. And ilalagay natin dito sa ating ayan, sa ating flour mixture. So, let's lagay na. And then, we're gonna beat it. Beat in here. I-mix natin dito. We're gonna mix it here. And then, ano yung ating bubuksan na natin itong ating we're gonna open our evap. Siya yung magiging water natin dito sa ating pancake flour mixture. So, ayan, naglagay na ako ng nakikita